for apple. A, apple. Red and round, it's so nice to munch. A is for apple. Apple. Crunchy and sweet, we love it a bunch. B is for ball. Ball. Joint, bounce it high or roll it down the hall. B is for ball. Ball. Let's play together, big or small, all. C is for cat. Cat. Enter soft and furry, it purrs on the mat. C is for cat. Cat. It likes to nap, imagine that. D is for dog. Dog. Hen wags his tail and jumps over a log. D is for dog. Dog. It loves to run in sun and fog. E is for elephant. Elephant. Waller big and gray with a trunk so elegant. E is for elephant. Elephant. Stomps around, oh so magnificent. F is for fish. Fish. She swims in water, swish, swish, swish. F is for fish. Fish. Swimming deep is what they wish. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Tall and spotted with a long neck, half and half. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Reaches trees with a gentle laugh. H is for hat. Hat. Wear it on your head, imagine that. H is for hat. Hat. Big or small or flat and flat at. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Warm, cold and sweet, it's a yummy dream. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Vanilla or chocolate with a cherry gleaming. J is for jelly. Jelly. And wiggle and wobble, soft and jiggly. J is for jelly. Jelly. Fruity treat that's oh so smelly. K is for kite. Kite. Fly it up on a windy night. K is for kite. Kite. It dances in the sky so bright. L is for lion. Lion. Roars so loud, it's the jungle scion. L is for lion. Lion. King of beasts with pride and Zion. M is for monkey. Monkey. Swings on trees and acts so funky. M is for monkey. Monkey. It eats bananas, sweet and chunky. N is for nest. Nest. Cozy place where birdies rest. N is for nest. Nest. Feathers soft, it's nature's best. O is for owl. Owl. Hoots at night with the wise old growl. O is for owl. Owl. Sleeps by day and sings with a howl. P is for penguin. Penguin. Waddles around in the snow and wind. P is for penguin. Penguin. In black and white, it's winter's twin. Q is for queen. Queen. Wears a crown so calm and serene. Q is for queen. Queen. In her palace she's like a dream. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. He hops so fast, it's a jumping habit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit with floppy ears, it's cute, you'll grab it. S is for sun. Sun. Shines so bright on everyone. S is for sun. Sun. Rise and shine, the day's begun. T is for train. Train. They'll chugga through the plain. T is for train. Train. All aboard the learning lane. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Keeps you dry, you smart fella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. When it rains, it's your best fella. V is for van. Van. Big and roomy, yes you can. V is for van. Van. Drive around the town or land. W is for whale. Whale. Splashes water with its giant tail. W is for whale. Whale. Sings deep songs that down, play the notes, tone by tone on. X is for xylophone, X, X, xylophone, colorful keys and lovely tone on. Y is for yo, 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 up and down, it likes to go. Y is for yo, 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 round and round, like a show. Z is for zebra,